Bonjour tout le monde. Hi, it's me, Anaïs, your French Canadian sis. Today, we are finishing the first season of Chainsawman. Well, Chainsawman definitely became like my new thing. It's very, very good. I really like it. So, I have 3 episodes to watch now. Hopefully, I'm gonna be able to watch them properly without falling asleep because, well, I'm very tired, but my makeup is bomb and I'm trying to film as many reaction as I can. So bear with me while I do another all-nighter just watching stuff. I love watching stuff and I love reacting to stuff so that you can enjoy watching me react to stuff. Wow, that's a lot of me saying nothing. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, if you're new on my channel, hi, welcome. I'm very glad to meet you. And if you're back on my channel because you enjoy watching me react to stuff, welcome back. I'm very glad to see you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, Don't miss any of my upload. Leave a comment. I love to read them. Please leave them so I can just have fun and see how you feel, what's your input, you did, whatever. Just leave comments. I like it. And I also have a Patreon, okay? So don't hesitate to go check it out. Support sister I need, Go see some exclusive content, exclusive clip, and more goodies over there. The link to my Patreon is in the description box below. Okay, is there anything else that I want to say? No, let's just get into it, y'all, because, again, I'm tired, and I just, I just remembered something. The last episode that I watched, everybody died!
Emotional damage.
The only person left was the girl with severe anxiety issues. I call her Monkey Girl because of the way she was moving around. But oh my god, bish, everybody died. It was tragic. Oh well, I think I cried. Well, of course I cried. I cried at everything. I'm such a softie. Oh, boy. Oh, I'm not ready, but let's just do this, okay? Let's see. Oh, he's not dead. I'm glad. I wasn't sure if he was dead or not, but I think he lost a lot of years because of his devil, no? I'm sorry for your loss, buddy. No. I'm sorry. Leave the fucking apple, you stupid. Wow, you're so thoughtful. I'm so sorry. You lost your mentor, you lost everything.
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる？
Nini.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
One eternity later.
So does that mean that we only have 2 years to get the gun? You need to grieve. Bruh, get the fuck out. Okay? That's not the time.
大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、俺ひどくね？パワーが死んだら泣けるか？
No.
泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣
I
けね
don't
え
think
な。
so. Makima, you die.
マキマさんが死んだら心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
Leave the damn apple alone. What is your problem? I swear. Y'all have no respect.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Oh. Her teacher.
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼ってる方。
At least they're honest about it.
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
怖い。
That's not a good start.
俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。
Oh shit.
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
Nah, bitch. Run. Yeah, I said run. That's what I would have done, bitch. Because that man was too serious and too calm. He knew.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
Great. Bro, this is abuse.
続けるなら続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
覚悟。
Like what? He already lost everything. Is it the anxiety girl? Who is it?
寝るから帰る。明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Look at them. They're traumatized.
あのアルチェ野郎。俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついて。
Get better, I guess.
何が？
わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
And then what? Because you two are not the brightest in the bunch.
漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
うぬのか。わしはもう殺意100個思いついたぞ。
2つの頭脳が合わさっちまったらよ。逆に負ける方がむずいんじゃねえか。
今度はわしらが。
You guys are stupid. But it's cute that they think they can win like that.
この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュー
She has
俺
glasses
たちの
too.
日常を壊す
They
や
have glasses.
つ死だ。
Soon after.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだな。
Jesus. This is just depressing.
今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
That's it? Never mind.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Yeah, that's what I was like. There's no way it's over. I felt like it was too easy. This man doesn't. Ain't no way it's gonna be that easy.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、
He only has 2 years left.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。
What is the
イル
devil?
ンは未来の悪魔。
Oh,
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
okay.
1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Okay. He literally only has 2 years left. So what the fuck is he supposed to give? I don't know how I feel about that. I don't like this. It's only one eye? Nah, it's probably not just one eye. He's not afraid, bitch. I would never. You couldn't pay me to go there.
Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho!
Okay, it's not as scary as I thought it would be, I guess. So we'll see how this goes.
お前は俺の何が欲しいか言え。
He's no fun. You won't have fun with him. Oh, that's creepy as hell. Yeah, that's creepy as fuck. What? What?
お前の右目に俺を済ませろ。そうすればお前の力になってやる。
Okay.
なぜならお前は未来で最悪な死に方をする。
Jesus.
どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか？
No.
言わなくて。
No.
俺は俺が殺したい奴を殺せれば、あとはどうなってもいい。さっさと目に入れ。
I admire his tenacity and his strength of mind, because being told not only that I only have 2 years left to live, but that my death is gonna be the fucking worst, therefore I don't even need to give anything super big from me to a fucking devil, that would send me over the edge. That would end me. That would, I'm like, okay. You know, bitch, what more do you want from me? What more he lost everything. He only has 2 years to live. And his death is gonna be the fucking worst. Leave the poor kid alone. He's been through enough. He's been through enough. This is enough. This is too much. Leave him alone. Oh. This isn't fair.
今日から指導は毎日じゃなくていいな。週1にする。
イエ
I don't believe this.
指導を踏まえて明日に実践だ。姫野たちを殺した侍ソードとヘビ女を俺たち全員で捕まえに行く。
Oh shit. Okay.
ーイ俺を強くしてくれたからな。これでもっと悪魔を殺せる。そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーや。
You need to stop talking. Gosh.
俺もあいつら嫌になってきちゃったな。
I feel you.
おもちゃなら壊れても罪悪感はないと思ってたが、この年になるとボケてきておもちゃにも情が湧く。
Ew, how? They're so unlikable.
お前、分かっていて見逃したな。人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。うちはな。
そうすればヨンカは今より動きやすくなってより悪魔から人を救える。
Yeah, you talk a lot of good shit, but
嘘つき。
that bitch is scary. She did help him, didn't she? But she's a master manipulator. And she's not human. I don't think she's human. She has the same eyes as power. What is she? Who is she? She's so mysterious. What's her real goal? She clearly wants to end the gun devil. And other devils seems to be scared of her. Why is she working for public safety? She knows how to say all the right thing, but sometimes she slips up. Sometimes she says stuff that I'm like, concerned. Makima, who the fuck are you? I don't trust you anymore. Oh. but that's bothering me. I don't want to read the manga because the whole point of reaction is that you get an actual reaction from me because I don't know what's gonna happen. If I start reading the manga, I guess it depends. Why are you stressed?
マキマが生きてる限り日本には逃げれる場所はない。ここで迎え撃つ準備はしてある。静かにしてろ。
We are? How can you get ready for whatever the fuck she cooks?
じいちゃんの置き土産、借金を返せないクズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団だ。
それで4課を終わらせる。
How many do you have? And why do you need to finish them so badly?
銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだ。
That's it?
あなたの組の名前だけでなく他の組の方のもお願いします。
Why do I feel like she's not gonna take no for an answer?
明日金じゃ仲間は売れんよ。
I don't think that's the kind of bribe that you think it is.
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
Huh? What did you do?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
てめえ。
あなたの言う必要悪というものは悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。その言い訳は社会に必要ない。必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
Whoa. Okay, wait. That she's a bad bitch. And a scary one at that. Miss Makima, is you okay? Mm-mm. Blink twice if you need help, sis. This woman. What's with this whole, it's for the good of the public, it's for public safety. She lying. She lying. She doesn't care about the people. What do you really want? What do you really want?
靴汚れた。こいつ最悪。
No.
あ？当てはあんのかよ。ない。手分けして探せ。
I'm scared for him. I wonder if we're gonna see him die. I mean, I guess we can't really get attached with this anime. Kinda sucks. Makima? Well, I guess she's doing her part. What did you do? She's here. You're not scared? Because people seem to be really scared of her. She seems powerful. She can bring people back to life and shit.
そのまま絞め殺せ。
That's the fucking worst death. Ugh. There's no way that's the worst death. Nah, it just doesn't sound horrible enough. Man, that bitch is scary.
一本あげる。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
What happened? Are you supposed to bum fist her? my god. She really was a good friend, huh?
姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
I guess she really had a good bond with her. I mean, the last time I saw her, well, the last time I saw her before today was when she pulled Renji's chainsaw to activate his devil.
Heavy. 殺すな。
Damn. When?
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Well.
出たな、もみあげマン。
待て待て待て。少し話さないか。
No.
俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
No.
やってみろよ、ベーク！死ねよ！
You guys are destroying whatever. That's not good. You guys are taking the fight to public spaces. What about the people? Titties. Pussy.
It's like, no big deal. Like, sucking dick and cock. Like, I'm just like, oh my god. Time and place. And you did it at my birthday dinner. I'm just like, oh my god. Time and place.
Oh Lord. Again. A fucking again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
Oh boy. Damn, it's kind of like a redo of the last time, don't you think? No, your grandfather fucking deserved it.
I'm supposed to feel sorry for that bitch. I don't.
Oh, we get the music. I guess you can. Fuck your grandfather. How about that for forgiveness, bitch? Damn! Is he dead? Well, apparently he can come back to life, so should we keep these two parts separated? We need to do something about this man, because he can come back from to life, so something needs to be done. Something needs to be done. Wow, he's alive. Great.
てめえは姫野先輩を殺した。
He did.
面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。
お前には何もできねえだろ。
He's a devil.
お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
That's hilarious. I mean, that's very him.
俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえること
To
だ。
be fair, nobody said anything about his
い
balls.
たぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。
そんな
ことしたって。
Nothing of value will do
姫野
us.
先輩は喜ばない。
You sure about that?
勝ったら何くれんだへっそりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や
This is you do what you do to get what you need, you know what I mean?
姫野先輩天国まで聞こえるか俺たちからあんたへの
A requiem? Jesus fucking Christ. I don't think that's the kind of requiem she wants to hear.
今回の事件でビル内から10の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。
Wow, that's a lot.
ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
どこに向かって動いた？
Is this how he dies? Where do I'm so stressed, like something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. I just feel it. That's it? Isn't that how the season started? What's happening?
デンジ
落ちた
デンジ絶対に開けちゃダメだ
Why? Bish, I'm confused. Why?
デンジ君はさ田舎のネズミと都会のネズミどっちがいい
Is that the gun devil? Is she a woman? Is this like the door to the gun? Bish, I am confusion. What's going on here? I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for like the next season. I heard that there's a freaking petition to have Mappa or another studio reanimate this reanimate this manga, and that's fucking stupid. I know not everybody enjoyed the 3D style, but I'm just enjoying the show. Honestly, I'm just enjoying the show, and the show is pretty freaking good. Chainsawman really was built different, completely different. So good, so good. Such a good TV show. Very. It was like the surprise for me of the year, because it's a brand new manga, right? So for me, it was really like kind of the surprise of, I mean, that and Jujutsu in GGK, but GGK I think was last year. But yeah, Chainsawman is fucking good. So I just have so many weird questions. There's a lot of tension towards the end. I'm also like preemptively grieving for Cigarette Man. Yeah, you know me. I'm gonna invent names because I don't know them by heart. Glad to see that monkey girl still alive. Anxiety, I guess, is not killing her. Not anytime soon. I don't know what the fuck Makima did, but yo, bringing the eyes of people they love. That bitch is built different. That bitch is built different, because that's some dark-sided shit that she did. Woo, child. Dark-sided. I was also very happy to see all these new devils that I didn't know, like from the police safety. Angel devil makes no sense to me, but I guess, I don't know, fam, it's just weird to me. I feel like it's also too late for me to like have a very good like final thoughts and reaction on the show as a whole, but Alright, here's my final verdict on Chainsawman. Overall, I would 100% recommend. I think it's a very good anime and it's gonna keep you on your toes. And it's very solid. Like, it's a bit Game of Thrones-y, the way they handle the characters. But, you know, it is what it is. Can't do much about that. Just enjoy the show. And enjoy my reaction of it. Alright? Anyway, guys. Mwah. Stay hydrated, stay moisturized, and don't be a she. And I'll see you next time. Okay.